In today's episode, I'll show you how I store and refill my spices once they are over, and we're going to be working on a budget. So with me here, I have my spices that I'm going to be refilling. I only have 4 of them. As you can see, the others ziko na vitu. So without further ado, let's get started. So for my spice jars, I got them from the CBD at 65 shillings each, lakini sio zote. There are some that I got from the streets and they were going for 50 shillings each, but the ones from the shop, they were retailing at 65 shillings. So I was slowly collecting them. Leo nikienda CBD, I get like 2 containers. That's 100 bob from the streets. But at some point, the vendor who was getting them from the streets akaishiwa, na decided to just go buy the remaining ones from the shop, and nikauziwa 65 shillings. So these are spices. As you can see, this is curry powder. I have my cinnamon right here. I also have some black pepper, and this is some pilau masala. So we are going to remove them from the plastic wrap, and this is just to help them retain the aroma, because ukiziacha hivi, the aroma is going to escape and you'll just be left with something that is very blunt. And this is also a very cheap way of refilling your spices. I'll get to the labels in a few. So let me finish this, then we can continue. So I am done, and we are going to start by refilling our curry powder. And this smells amazing. Then this was meant for cinnamon. I'm going to put my cinnamon. This is pilau masala. And this was for black pepper. And finally, this is for Royco powder. Yep, and you can see it was that easy. So I'm also going to show you how I'm going to be naming this, and you can buy the black stickers that go for about 500 shillings for about 80 or 100 pieces. I'm not quite sure, but on that particular day, since I didn't think that this zimeongezeka bei, they were initially going for 55 shillings, so nikapata zimeongezeka bei, and I did not have an extra 500 shillings for something I had not planned for. So I got this hizi ni zile sticker kama hizi, and that's what I'm going to be using. So all these stickers, they are quite many. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pages. There are 9 pages, and each page has about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, has about 27 stickers, and that's what I'm going to be using. So far I've used only the first page, and we're going to be naming this. And after writing it, then you just stick it like that. Then we'll go to the cinnamon. So if you really have a good handwriting, you can just decide to DIY this yourself. I'll add for pilau masala, but naming isn't really necessary. You can just tell the spice by the look, but for the sake of you people, I'm just going to be naming this. Yeah, so So this is part of my spice collection, and you can just be adding one by one at a time. Unaenda leo unanunua 2 containers, you come and buy 2 spices, then with time you're just going to have as many as you possibly can, or as many as you wish, and that's pretty much it. So you can see this is a very cheap DIY process, and you do not really have to buy the spices in the containers because they are already going to be charging you for that particular container. So you can just buy the one in the sachet, or you can just refill them at the spice guy and just buy the stickers, or you can also buy the other black stickers, which are a bit expensive. Yeah, so that's how I store my spices, and that's pretty much it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed, and I also hope you're going to try this DIY. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.